How to change Google Play Store country. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your country or region in the Google Play Store step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the Play Store, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on the option labeled as Payments and Subscriptions. And now here in this section, simply tap on Payments Method, and after that, on the new page of the Payments Method, at the bottom you can see the option labeled as More Payment Settings. So just tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, you will be prompted to the Google Payment page. So here you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and now here from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on the option labeled as Settings. And now you just have to wait for a few moments for it to load, and there if you scroll down there you can see the option labeled as Country/Region. So just tap on the edit pencil icon next to it, and once you do that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Create New Profile, and after that, you need to tap on Continue. And after that, you can choose the country or region that you have moved to. And after selecting it, and after that, you need to enter your name and your new address, and that's it. After that, you'll be able to change your country or region in Google Play Store. And that's how you can change Google Play Store country. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.